Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hoy les voy a compartir 4 recetas que son riquísimas, fáciles de hacer y son perfectas para quienes quieran comer algo saludable. Espero les gusten y empecemos con el video.
Whenever it's early twilight, I watch till a star breaks through. Well, funny, it's not a star I see, it's always you. Whenever I roam through roses, and lately I often do. Well, funny, it's not a rose I touch, it's always you. Well, if a breeze caresses me, it's merely you strolling by. If I hear a melody, it's merely the way you sigh. Wherever you are, you're near me, and dare me to be untrue. Funny, each time I fall in love, it's always you.
You fell into me and I didn't know what to do, 'cause you fell into me and I fell backwards too. But now I know how it feels to fall in love with you.
Middle of the morning and I'm feeling something, 'cause late last night you were feeling nothing. How could you be over me in a week when I'm still feeling so lonely? Found my sweater that you took all the time, still smells like you, like when you were mine. How could it be that I see memories in between all these worn out seams? 'Cause you're seeing someone else, and I heard he treats you well, but it still hurts like hell. Darling, tell me, do you think think about me too? Does it hurt you in the way it hurts me too? Middle of the bed and I still feel cold. These vacant sheets don't feel like home. And I cry every night when I reach by my side, 'cause you're not there and I forget that you're seeing someone else. And I heard he treats you well, but it still hurts like you. Darling, tell me, do you think about me too? Does it hurt you in the way it hurts?
Y bueno, estas fueron las 4 recetas. Espero que les gusten tanto como a mí. Gracias por mirar y hasta el próximo video.
Your eyes, do you see all the signs that you're broken?